Peace and love, y'all. Naeem here. Gonna do attempt another go at this precognitive remote viewing. So I'm gonna try to attempt to view a target that's gonna be selected after the session is completed. I got the time running over here, and I got the target pool open, so I can do this reveal in like one take. So just wanted to show my time here. Matches up with time and date. So yeah, we're just gonna have some fun, see what happens. I've made my own target number to represent the future target. This target pool randomly gives you a target when you request it. So I haven't requested the target yet. So let's work this for a bit and see what we get. All right. Okay, so S3. We got here structure. There was a structure I saw, some kind of structure, paved textures, maybe some vegetation, screeching, screech, heavy thick like concrete or stone, concrete, hard. Maybe some life at some point. Yeah, so there's land one, structure one, and life multi. That's what I'm getting so far here. Structure one, land one, life multi. Let's see if we can see what we get. Let's go land one. LAND1. Land one. LAND1. Land one. Okay, I get the sense of like the entrance, or like a opening, some kind of opening. I don't know how this goes. Sounds. I hear like a wrenching noise. Smells. Some paved textures. Temperatures would be like hot. Man-made. Feels urban. What would the land be? Feels like city. There's like a structure here. I get some patterns associated with that. Sounds like horns, pathways, some vegetation, and like some stuff you'd see, like you know how they have like ornamental vegetation that sits in like on the side of the street or whatever. They put them in those little islands. Yeah, so this seems like a city, feels city-like. wrenching noise, some pathways, horns, structure there. We're going to look at that. Look at structure 1. Structure 1. Let's do this. STRUCTURE 1. Structure 1. Come on, I want to get a visual here. STRUCTURE 1. Structure 1. I see this as a kind of like this. Rectangular in shape. The textures would be like gray, pale, hard. It's got like cut edges, like very sharp, machined or somehow made. It's man-made. It feels ornamental. It feels like central, like a central, something central. Sounds would be like, I get like voices, horns. It feels urban, so might be some paths or stuff around here. The materials would be just like, I get like heavy, dense. Just feels very solid. Very solid structure. What would it be for? I get like tourism. It's like an attraction. Yeah, so like I get like a rectangular shape from it. That's what I'm getting there. Like an archway type shape. Rectangular. That's what I'm getting there. City. Monument. Ornamental. Central. Tourism. Alright. See if there's anything else I can see. In case I missed anything. What do I need to see? What is this future target? I want to get a visual here. see the greens, like I see greens, sounds, voices, smells. There's something there. White, pale. I get like tourism, travel, section. So I'm getting there. Let's see if we got anything. Not feeling too confident here. Disjointed on this one. So got my target pool here. I'm gonna request the target, apprentice. So when I click this, we're gonna get a target number, and we'll be able to see the target and see if I was able to perceive it. So here's the target number, and we're gonna click it to view. And it is, oh, it's like a door. Oh, there's the green. Well, pretty good hit. I mean, I did say it was like an archway, kind of like an entrance, man-made. Not exactly a not exactly a target for an experienced viewer, but hopefully you guys can see that there's it's just like a door. Yeah. So hopefully you can see how the perceptions came through there. Kind of a underwhelming target, but another demonstration of precognitive remote viewing data. So hopefully this was interesting. Thanks for watching, Al.